Hi, Lipiao here again, and this week I've been learning the hymn Come Thou Long Expected Jesus. This hymn is in the key of C, and you need the usual C chord plus a few minor chords, and they are C major, F, G, A minor, D minor, and E minor. Now let's play through the first verse once through. So this hymn is in triple time, so we'll be using our standard triple time strum. Down, up, down, up. Come thou long expected Jesus, born to set thy people free from our fears and sins. Release us, let us find our rest in thee. Israel's strength and consolation, hope of all the earth thou art, dear desired of every nation, joy of every longing heart. Now grab a song sheets, and song sheets available in the link below, and let's play through both verses once through. It will take a slightly faster pace. Come thou long expected Jesus, born to set thy people free from our fears and sins. Release us, let us find our rest in thee. Israel's strength and consolation, hope of all the earth thou art, dear desired of every nation, joy of every longing heart. Born thy people to deliver, born a child and yet a king, born to reign in us forever. Now thy gracious kingdom bring, by thine own eternal Spirit, rule in all our hearts alone. By thine all-sufficient merit, raise us to thy glorious throne. So that was It Came Upon the Midnight Clear. Fairly easy to play and learn, so hope you enjoy learning and playing in this Advent season.